Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. I welcome you to an interesting video. Here we are going to teach you how to be more creative. Just grab all of your sheets and crafting materials. Get these pipes and you need to arrange them together in these layers. Further, on a plastic cup, you need to attach them together. Using the holes, you need to let them out and get them beautifully secured like this. And then on the top of it, you need to paste the face of a tiger. Now here you have to get a balloon and then just with the help of the art attack glue, you need to paste the sheets in this manner. Beautifully arrange it in this way and then you need to press the balloon further and then here it is ready. Cool, right? And now you need to color it further with the help of different colors and let them fly high. This is gonna look cool. Here again you have to get the holes inside a cup like this and get inside a plastic cup and get these sticks again and you have to arrange it in a pattern. You have to just join them together and get them arranged similarly as we have done previously and get them beautifully made like this. Further you have to get the face of a Peppa Pig and paste it on the top of it. Then you have to make the hands and all and get this pretty face ready. Cool, right? Now here again what are we up to? You just have to get the clay and get them beautifully attached in this manner. Attach them together and make it in this form to make it look like this. This is gonna look pretty. Here you have to just get them pretty face in this manner. Get them attached like this. You have to make them beautifully secured in this pattern and make a layer like this. This is cool, right? And then using the sheet you need to make these sticks around and get a paper wrapped on the top of it and then you need to paste it inside and get them made into this form. Put a stick around. Here you have to get a cardboard and then arrange it in this wheel. This is gonna look pretty. Now here you have to get the sheets in this form, the cutouts, and then of these dimensions you need to just put it around in this manner and then secure it beautifully in this way. You have to get the wings around and then the flap positions. Get the sticks in this manner and then paste the stars on either side. Here you have to get the sheets arranged beautifully in this way and then get the dots pasted in this manner. This is gonna look beautiful, right? Over it, you have to get a balloon-like structure and then you have to just paste the clay over it. Then with the help of clay of different colors, you need to make a flower out of this. Then get the lines beautifully attached in this way and then do it in this manner. Make the cravings and all and this is gonna look pretty. Further here, get the leaves. You need to secure it in this manner. Get them beautifully made and this is gonna steal it. Cute, right? This is gonna look beautiful. See again, this is beautiful. Thank you guys.